Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you are watching my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, click the bell icon. Manufacturing process, Unit 1, Foundry Technology, Part 11. If you want to see my previous videos, please click the I button on the top of the video. It will show my playlist in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Today's topic is core. So what is core? It is a sand moss used to make a cavity or hole in a casting. The shape of the core is similar to the required cavity in the casting made. Core is made using core sand in the core box. Core print. So what is core print? A core print is the projection on a pattern, and core print forms a seat in the mold. The core print is supported in the seat formed by the core print. So friends, we know what is core now. In the pattern, we have in the final stage of casting a hole, means we use core for the hole. We didn't use drilling or removing material from that casting. So we use the core for the hole in the casting and the core print. If there is any hole projection in the casting, means we will create a core print in the pattern. So the core print is used to support the core in the mold cavity. The next one is essential qualities of core material. First one is permeability. So the core should also steamed and gases to pass through when molten metal is poured. Uniformly sized rounded grains of sand gives this. Refractoriness. It is also known as thermal stability of the core. The core must withstand is high temperature of the molten metal. The property to withstand high temperature is known as refractoriness. The next one is strength. The core should be very strong and should not break when handled or when molten metal is poured. If the core is break, it will not give the perfect casting. So the strength depends upon the type of binder used and ram done in the making of core. The next one is collapsibility. The core should collapse or break when it is removed after the casting is made to produce the hole projection. Stability. The core should not expand and contract made due to heat, then only it will be true shape of the cavity. If the core is expand due to high temperature, the hole projected in the casting will be more than the dimension. So the core should not be expand or contract itself due to the high temperature or at the time of cooling. The next topic is core sand preparation. So core is prepared by the following steps. The first step is core sand preparation, core molding, core baking and core finishing. These four processes are used to produce the core. Now see one by one briefly. First one is core sand preparation. The binder and additives are thoroughly mixed with the core sand. This will give uniform strength to the core. Core sands are generally mixed in roller mills or core sand mixer. The next one is core molding. Core is prepared by using core box and the core sand is filled in the box and ramming is done. Then the core box is split to remove the core. Then it is not strong steel rod or placed inside in the large size core to give some strength. Core is prepared by hand or machine. The next one is core baking. So the core are placed in the oven and heated to temperature of 15 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius. The moisture in the core is removed during the heating. Also, the binder hardens and gives strength to the core. The next one is core finishing process. So after baking the core, the rough surface and unwanted projections are removed by filling, and the silica or graphite powder is coated on the surface of the finishing core. That's all, friends. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and in the description box I given the my Facebook page's link. Please follow on me as in Facebook. Thank you, friends.